Join me as I challenge myself to decode the insights from DJT stock experts and see if I can pick the next big winner. Today we're going to weigh in on DJT's stock market strategies and their implications for investors, so let's get started. Investors are facing a lot of challenges in the stock market, from fluctuating prices to changing regulations. DJT's policies have been pretty influential in shaping these challenges, some of which have been beneficial while others have been detrimental. For instance, tax cuts have led to increased investments, but trade wars have caused uncertainty. Market volatility is another challenge investors are dealing with, making it tough to predict stock trends. DJT's tweets often send the market into a frenzy, causing stocks to either soar or plummet. This unpredictability is forcing investors to be on their toes at all times. The current economic climate is also a major concern, with fears of a recession looming over the market. DJT's policies have been aimed at boosting the economy, but their effectiveness is still debatable. Investors are waiting to see how these policies will play out in the long run. Despite these challenges, many investors are still optimistic about the market, hoping that DJT's policies will lead to increased growth and profits. They're keeping a close eye on the market, waiting for the right moment to make their move. Experts have varying opinions on DJT's stock market approaches, with some praising his bold moves and others criticizing his unpredictability. One expert believes that DJT's policies have created a favorable business environment, leading to increased investments and job creation. On the other hand, another expert thinks that DJT's tweets are causing too much uncertainty, making it difficult for investors to make informed decisions. This expert believes that a more stable and predictable approach would be beneficial for the market. Some experts are also concerned about the impact of DJT's policies on certain industries, such as healthcare and technology. They believe that these policies could lead to significant changes in the market, affecting the stocks of companies in these industries. Another expert has praised DJT's efforts to reduce regulations, saying that this has led to increased innovation and growth in the market. However, this expert also warns that too much deregulation could lead to market instability. One expert's insight that really caught my attention was the prediction that DJT's policies could lead to a surge in certain stocks, particularly those in the energy and manufacturing sectors. This expert believes that the current market conditions, combined with DJT's policies, could create a perfect storm for these stocks to skyrocket. This prediction has got me thinking about the potential opportunities in the market, and I'm considering investing in these sectors. It's always exciting to think about the potential for big gains, and I'm eager to see how this plays out. The expert's reasoning is based on the current trends in the market, as well as DJT's past policies and their impact on the economy. It's a compelling argument, and I'm inclined to agree with this expert's assessment. I'm gonna keep a close eye on these stocks and see if they do indeed surge. It's gonna be an interesting ride. The key takeaway from the expert's insights is that DJT's policies are having a significant impact on the market, and investors need to be aware of these changes to make informed decisions. Let me know what you think about DJT's stock market strategies in the comments below, and if you haven't already, check out my previous video on market trends to stay up to date on the latest developments.